What up, spices? If it's out of focus, I'm sorry, okay? Just, I can't see. My makeup is in no way related to this video. I had a photo shoot this morning, so it's kind of a buzzkill because today we're going to be redoing our makeup. Because today I'm gonna show you something edgy, gothic, a bit on the darker side. Why? Because sometimes you just want to change, man. When I put on a wig and when I do really heavy makeup and when I look different than myself, I gain an incredible amount of confidence, an insane amount of I just don't care. So sometimes it's nice to just kind of completely let go of our own kind of mask and put on something else. So today we're going to kind of explore that kind of an area, what it's like to kind of become somebody else, almost like your alter ego, but maybe a bit different. I don't know. I'm going to be showing you my hair that I made specifically for this video. I had a beautiful perfect lace wig that had a fringe on it. And basically I decided to cut it down to a bob because I haven't had a bob haircut in a really long time and I think it looks just absolutely badass. In every movie, the villain always has a black freaking bob. So I have this cute little do that I cut and did yesterday myself. That is going to be my wig for today. Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my eye makeup real quickly and then we can proceed to the video. So I actually redid my whole face because I don't know, I'm done now. For the eyes, I'm going to go kind of warm, smoky golden. The main things I'm going to be using is the Naked Urban Decay Heat palette. I just got my hands on this and it has some pretty shades. So most of these are going to be from here as well as the new Pupa Milano. They're pretty cool. Starting with Cayenne from the palette. Kind of has the color of cayenne pepper. Gonna put this on my eyes. Yeah. Next, with the same brush, I'm taking up Sauced, which is a warm brown. With a smaller brush, I'm mixing En Fuego with He Devil because they look like pretty colors. In the middle, I'm going in with Pupa Milano Hollow Eyeshadow in 002, which is kind of this fiery, warm, metallic kind of a shade. To apply it, I'm going to be taking my brush and I'm going to spray it with a finishing spray. Oh, yes, sweet. Yes, queen, yes. Oh my god, oh my god. Now I'm just going to drag the color down under my waterline because I like that look. Finally, I'm going to finish off this eye with some eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm just going to do kind of a dramatic winged liner. Okay, so I finished off both eyes. This thing looks freaking insane. Please don't burst my bubble. Now I'm just going to put on some eyelashes, and recently I've been loving these ones by Unicorn Lashes in Peachy Pie. Excuse me while I undergo a process as fragile as surgery. It's on the same level, I swear. I'm actually really impressed by the fact that they're almost decent on the first try, which is insane. Cute! I'm gonna go ahead and do the same exact thing on this eye. To finish off the eye look, I'm going in with this Pupa Milano Bronze eyeliner and I'm gonna pop that into my waterline. Now for the face, I'm thinking more bronziness going on, so For blush, I'm using this very kind of nudie one from Max Factor, kind of like a terracotta blush. For highlight, I'm going to be doing a mix of NYX Love You So Mochi Pink highlighter and the Pupa Milano Holo eyeshadow in 01 because it's got very lovely bronzy highlight tones. Let's see if we can blind the haters. Not really. Also adding a bit of this on my forehead because I'm extra. And then this one, this cutie. Finally, for the lips, I'm going to show you a trick on how you can get whatever color you want on your lips. Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood Base. This is just going to act like kind of the glue on my lips. I'm choosing this because I'm going for quite a deep color. And then, to actually get the color I want, I'm going to be packing en fuego onto my lips while the liquid lipstick is still wet. To seal everything in, I'm going in with my setting spray from NYX. I'm going to be popping in these lenses. They're by Tedai. I'll put the link of them down in the description box below. They're brown, and I think it's just going to go really well with the entire look. I'm gonna pop these in really quickly. I almost kind of wish that this was what I had in mind because I'm really digging it. But so far, I still kind of look like me, and the whole point of this video was to not do that. So this could be a look. Now this is what I call a complete change. My name's Sandra Gunaway, and I'm here to ruin your life. Why did this video turn from gothic grunge edgy to somehow sexy seductive? It's the wig. No, I know it's the wig, but like... You guys are gonna get that feeling when you're going in for an exam, you didn't really study, but then you find out that you insanely aced it and you don't know how. It's kind of what I feel right now. It's like, oh my god, this video is beyond all of and any of my expectations. It's like I expected one thing and then I got something completely different. This pillow does not belong in my background, does it? Neither does this one. Alright, don't get scandalized. I feel scandalous, excuse me. So this is my completed look. Sorry, I'm a bit, what's it called? Gobsmacked. I am in love with literally top to bottom aspect of this entire look. I'm living for it. Honestly, I feel like a villain in a movie. Can someone cast me in a movie? The details of the wig will be down in the description box below because oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This wig was probably down till here when I first got it. Then I decided to chop bangs into it because it was just literally, it was just straight black hair. And yesterday I'm like, this needs to have a bit of a bob cut, and girl, ideally get one already either in this style or else get like a shorter one and then go to your salon and ask if they can do it for you. Link of that will be down in the description box below, as well as a really awesome coupon code that you could use. All of the makeup details are going to be down in the description box below. A lot of these are really new products that I never tried, and I'm really loving it. This necklace is from Happiness Boutique. I got it so long ago that I didn't even know I had it, but it fits so well with this look. Oh, now I feel like Dora. This is so cute. Oh my god. Or do a different hairstyle. Try out a new eye palette. Try out a new makeup look. Do something that you personally wouldn't do, because you never know how much you're going to love it. This is literally all washable. This is a wig, so if you don't want to cut your hair, just get a wig or cut your hair. I don't know. Or try a new color. Cool, I'm gonna let you be. I'm gonna let you do whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will, in fact, give it a go. And I will see you in my next video.